Magic and Minnesota Timberwolves. This series has been one-sided, but that was when Dwight Howard was playing for the Magic. Now Andrei Kirilenko and Derek Williams, the faces in the starting lineup for the Timberwolves, trying to avoid an 8th straight loss to Orlando. Derek Williams in the first quarter getting it going. On the break, Brandon Roy to Andrei Kirilenko, 18-6. Wolves playing some defense as well. Derek Williams gets the steal. And the man who started it finishes it. Timberwolves shot 66% in the first quarter. On to the second. Timberwolves struggling here. J.J. Barea off target. Alexei Shved, the rookie, no good from distance. Chase Budinger, back iron. Timberwolves started the second quarter 0 for 11, but still had the lead. Luke Ridnour from downtown. 38-34, low-scoring affair. Minnesota up at the break. Jameer Nelson out another game. He's just watching. Off the Ridnour miss. Derek Williams, one-handed slam. Check it out again, getting angry at the rim. Magic trying to fight back. It's J.J. Redick doing what J.J. Redick does. It's just a 5-point game. Under a minute to go in the third. Barea behind the back pass. Greg Stiesma, the finish. With a hand right in his grill, Stiesma takes the great feed from Barea. Alexei Shved in the fourth quarter. The Budinger from downtown, he connects. And while the Timberwolves will win it, they'll be concerned about this. Hustle play by J.J. Barea results in a left foot injury. Barea would leave the game, did not return. At any rate, it is the Timberwolves with a 90-75 victory at home against Orlando, snapping a 7-game losing streak to the Magic.